in which drive. For example, I want to install in D drive. I have in D drive 931 GB free of 931 GB. In which drive you have minimum 200 GB free space, 200 or 300 GB free space is there. Means in that drive, for example, I am creating one folder. You also in that drive, you create one folder like this. Like this, you create one folder. You put any name, folder name, your wish, and open browser. And what you want to do means download Windows Server 2019 ISO. Click there. Click first option. Here, IS4 download 64-bit edition is there. Now click this one. You got file is started downloading. You download that file. It is single file. After downloaded that file, it is only single file only. After downloaded, you keep like this. You did not extract, you did not do anything. You keep like that only. In your laptop, you keep anywhere. Okay, in your laptop, you keep anywhere that file. So now double click VMware Workstation. Okay, here you got this screen. Here you click here, or otherwise you click file, you click new virtual machine, or you use Ctrl+N on your keyboard. So click create a new virtual machine. Here, when you installing first time, you got like this screen. When you are installing first time, you got like this. You select custom here, compulsory. Here you want to select custom advanced and click next. So click next here. Here, suppose you are not installing first time, already you install, means select here, select this installer disk image file ISO and click here and press backspace on your keyboard. Okay, like this. When you installing first time like this, you want to maintain empty of this one. When you installing first time, you got like this. Here in this screen, you want to select, I will install the operating system later and click next. Okay, here, when you installing first time, how you get means, like this you get. When you installing first time, like this you get. On that time, what you want to do in this. So here, we are installing Windows Server 2019 operating system. Windows Server 2019 operating system one is Microsoft Windows. First here you want to select Microsoft Windows, and here in this list click this drop down box and select Windows Server 2019 and click next. Here title means you are creating virtual machine. At what name you want to create virtual machine? So you use this name, or otherwise you provide any name is your wish. For example, I'm providing like this. And location, where I want to store that files. Click browse. Before we created folder no in OneDrive, in D drive, in NWD folder. I select that folder. Like that, you want to select in which drive you have 300 GB free space is there. In that drive, you create folder no. You want to select that folder. Means you are storing this virtual machine files into their location. And click next. Here you want to select BIOS. And click next. Here, put mouse here, right click and click Task Manager. Okay, and click this one. Here, sockets 2 means 2 process. In my system, I have 2 processes there. In your laptop also, you check how many processes there. Suppose you have only one processor, means here you want to select one. Here I have 2 processes. I am providing 2 processes for this virtual machine. Here 44 cores is there. Okay, 44 cores is there. Here click this drop down box. Here 32 I select means we got this caution. This caution symbol indicates it's not supporting. For example, 24 also not supporting. 16 supporting. Like that, depending on, suppose here in your laptop, here you have 4 means you provide off. 2 like that. In your laptop here you have 8 means you provide off 4 like that here. So here I am providing 6 because I have 44 is there. In 44 I am providing 6. Okay, and click next. Here hard disk size. Suppose in your laptop you have 4 GB RAM means by default 2 is selected. You want to provide 2 GB RAM. In your laptop you have 8 GB RAM means you click here 4 GB. In your laptop you have 16 GB RAM means you click here 8 GB. In your laptop you have 32 GB RAM means you click here 16 GB. Okay, I am providing 32 GB. I have 300 GB RAM. That's why I am selecting this much RAM. I am providing 32 GB and click next. Here you want to select used bridge networking, click next. Click next, click next, and click next. Here hard disk size, I'm providing 1000 GB. Okay, you also provide like that hard disk size and select store virtual disk as a single file and click next, next, finish. Finally, here you got at what name you create. Okay, and close home here. Okay, before here, I'm opening my folder, this PC, D drive, NWD. Now you get that files. Now this is the full screen button. Click here. Suppose when you click full screen, first time you got like this means you want to hide this command bar means this is the icon. Okay, now click this CD or DVD setup. Here select use ISO image file. Okay, click browse. In F drive that file is there. This is the file. That Windows Server 2019 ISO file I selected and click OK and click power on this virtual machine. So this is the second step means after installing VMware Workstation, in that VMware Workstation, you want to install Windows Server 2019 operating system because your training software, your training operating system is Windows Server 2019. That's why you want to know how to install Windows Server 2019 operating system on VMware Workstation because you want to prepare this operating system for installing SAP software purpose. So today you want to do this step also. You want to complete this step also from your side. Okay, here simply click next button in this page. Click install now. Okay, here we are installing SAP software purpose, no? That's why click this one. Last option, Windows Server 2019 Data Center Evaluation Desktop Experience. You want to select that one and click next. Here I accept the license terms. You want to select this option and click next. Here single click on custom. Single click on custom. Here 1000 GB, only one drive is there. Here what you do means click new and click here and backspace and type 154200. That means 150 GB. 154200, 150 GB. Click apply, click OK. Okay. One drive is created for 150 GB. Now select this one and click new and click apply. And click format and click OK. Okay, now select this drive and click delete and click OK. Now select 150 GB drive, that is C drive 150 GB. This 850 GB is the D drive. Select 150 GB drive and click next. Installation is started. Depending on your hardware, it will take time. Suppose you are using i5, i7 means 20 minutes like RAM. Depending on your hardware, it will take time to complete the operating system installation. You want to wait until the operating system installation. When this OS is installing on the time, you did not restart or shut down your laptop. You restart the system means what will be happen means you did not get successful installation of this operating system. We want to wait here. It will take time to complete the installation. By default, your username also administrator. Here you want to create new password for your user. So I'm providing new password for my user. I'm providing admin.123 in small letters. I'm providing in small letters admin.123 and click finish. So every time every time you want to log in into this operating system, you want to use this option. Here VM is there. Click VM and click send control plus all plus delete. Username is administrator and my administrator password. Here I'm entering my administrator password is admin.123. So this is my administrator password. I set this password. So whatever password you set, you enter that password and log in into this operating system. So you got like this, server manager is opening, click yes here. So server manager window is opening. I did not open server manager window. It is open. Okay, I did not open. Means when you log in into this operating system, that server manager window is automatically opening. Okay, what you want to do means here, select this option. Do not show this message again. Select this option and close this one. And here audio is not in enable mode. Suppose you want audio means right click here and click sounds and click yes and click OK. Now audio is enabled. Now this is not correct date and time. Right click here and click adjust date and time. Data time. Adjust data time. Here present time zone. This is present time zone. Here I am providing my time zone. Different countries are there. So I am from India. My time zone is click this drop down box, scroll down and select my time zone in this list. So here, so who are Indians is there? You want to select here time zone Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi and close this one. Now, every time when you log in into this operating system, this server manager window is automatically opening. Do not open like that means what you want to do means click manage and click server manager properties and select this option. Do not start server manager automatically at login and click OK. So next time onwards, when you log in into this operating system, this window will not open automatically. Now click here, local server. For example, when I open Internet Explorer, here, okay, when I open Internet Explorer, I enter google.com like that, I enter. Okay, select this one. Okay, I enter that one. So you got this pop-up every time when you enter any URL, you got this pop-up. You did not get this pop-up in Internet Explorer means what you want to do means here IE means Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration. Click on, select off, and click OK. So next time onwards, you did not get like that. It will take time to change from on to off. It is off. Okay. Now close this Internet Explorer, right click and click this one. And here this option I don't want, right click here and click here. You did not get that option. Okay. And this one is completed. Now click here. Now this is not full screen. We did not get full screen here. Here I get off screen only. How you get full screen? And not only full screen, and one more point here. Here I want this PC shortcut icon on computer. Right click, personalize. Here themes is there. Click themes. Scroll down. Here desktops icon settings is there. Click this one and select computer and select this PC. Apply. OK. Now right click, refresh. On desktop, this PC icon is there. Now this is not full screen. This is not full screen. And suppose here, this is my main operating system, Windows 11 operating system. Suppose here, this is the file. I want to copy this file. Okay, I want to copy this file here. Here, paste option is in disable mode. So how we get? This is not full screen. How we get means you want to install VMware tools. How I install VMware tools here? VM and click install VMware tools. When you install VMware tools, you got full screen and file copying is possible. Click this one and click this run setup 64.exe and click next here. Click next, click install. It is installing. You want to wait. When installation time only, you got full screen. When installation time only, you got the full screen. Okay, I got the full screen. Okay, click finish. I will restart later. That's why click no here. So this is the full screen. So after installing VMware 2 successfully, we got the full screen. Now here, click add roles and features. Click next, click next, click next, click next. Here, here I want to install .NET Framework 3.5 features. Select this one and click next and select this option. And here, and click this one. This PC, right click this one and click open and click sources and double click XSS folder and copy this one. Select there, right click and click copy and close this one and right click and click paste here. E sources XSS. Okay, compulsory. Suppose here you did not in E drive, you have any other drive, means this one only you want to provide. And click OK. And click install. Here you saw, I'm installing .NET Framework 3.5 features.
హలో వినయ్ గారు,
Yeah, చెప్పండి. Yeah, tell me.
the path you selected from virtual machine or the physical machine? Now, just now you selected, right? The drive.
I'm in virtual machine, not in physical machine.
So directly the disk which is attached as a OS file, that from there only you copy, right?
Now I am in virtual machine only. I am in Windows Server 2019 OS.
Yeah, in that OS, like in that OS file only you copied this link, right? The
In that
.NET framework
OS
link.
only. Why you are thinking like that? I am in Windows Server 2019. I am using Windows Server 2019. In Windows Server 2019, I provide this location. I am using only one OS only here. The operating system is now Windows Server 2019. After opening Windows Server 2019 here, I have C drive is there, D drive is there. I provide this location there. So it is installed successfully. Now close and close this one also. Now suppose I want to apply license also. I want to apply license. I have license. Suppose you have licenses means you apply license also like that. This is my license setup. I'm opening command prompt. I apply that command there and so I'm applying license also. Okay, why it will be restored. Okay, I'm logging into this operating system, VM, send control plus all plus delete, username administrator and administrator password is admin.123. I'm logging into this operating system. Okay, first of all, I want to activate my one. Click here, activate settings, click this one and click change product key. And here I want to enter my key. Click next and click activate. Okay, click close and click close. Now, next what we want to do here. So one by one softwares, what are the softwares we require? We want to install them. So first of all, these are the softwares we require. Okay, first of all, we want WinRAR software. You download WinRAR software and double click WinRAR software. It is in, click install and click OK and click done. WinRAR is installed successfully. That software I install. Why means zip files is there. You want to extract. That's why WinRAR software here. Now Microsoft Edge. It is one of the browser. Double click that setup file Microsoft Edge. So it is installing. We are installing Edge browser. Okay, start without your data, confirm and continue. Continue without this data, confirm and start browsing. Next, finish and close the browser. Now you want Microsoft Edge Viewer also. Double click this one. So now I'm installing Microsoft Edge Viewer. I download this one also in browser online. It is installing Microsoft Edge Viewer to runtime. I'm installing. Okay. Now I want to install Chrome browser also. So suppose I don't want here means double click. So I want here means right click and click into taskbar and close this one. Now here only it is available. So now double click Chrome browser. I want to install Chrome browser also. Okay, click don't sign in. Click set as default. Scroll down and click here Internet Explorer. Click on Internet Explorer and select Google Chrome. Means I set default browser, Google Chrome as default browser, and close this one and scroll. Click got it and close this one. So Chrome also I install. Okay, already you know how to simply download WinRAR like that. You click first one, you got download. You click first one, you click this one, WinRAR will be downloaded. So download Chrome, you click first one. Here a download Chrome option is there. Click that means download Chrome will be downloaded. Download Edge also, you click like that. You click this one, download Microsoft Edge. So here is the, it is for Windows 10, Windows 11. For suppose here is there for server purpose. You click this means it will be downloaded. Accept the terms and you download that one. Edge Weaver also same. Edge Weaver to like that also. Click first one. So scroll down. Here you click on 64, X64. When you click this one, that one also will be download. Like that you download. Next to download JRE and click first one and scroll down and click this one. Windows Offline X64 bit. You click that one means you got this file JRE and double click this one and click install. So you are installing Java, JRE software also. Okay, click close. This one also. So this one also you want .NET download .NET. Okay, and click this first one. Scroll down and click this one .NET Framework. Scroll down and click this one .NET Framework 4.8. Scroll down and click here means it will be downloaded. Like that you download that one and this is the file. Double click. I'm installing .NET Framework. And select this one. I have read the asset license terms and click install. It is installing. Okay, click finish and click restart now. Okay, VM, send control plus all plus delete, administrator, admin dot 123, enter. Now, okay, finally, what we want to do is, finally, and right click and click personalize. Here, lock screen is there. Click lock screen, scroll down, click screensaver settings, and close this one, and click this drop down box. In this drop down box, you select any one. And here, wait, in the place of wait, you enter 4 nines and click change power settings. Here, suppose in your laptop, which option is selected? On opposite, change plan settings is there, click that one. Here, how many options is there? Click the drop down box, select never to all the options. Suppose in some laptops, you have 4 or 6 like that and click save changes and close this one, apply, okay. And here, click search and open control panel. Control panel. Click System and Security. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Turn Windows Firewall on or off, and select this turn off, and here also turn off, and click OK and click Close. Now the system is ready to install the SAP software. Like this, you want to prepare the operating system. Suppose you want to update me. So suppose here, check for updates. When you click that one means, here click Advanced Options. You select this one and go back and click Check for updates means they show all the updates. After updated, they restart, update and everything. After update is completed, once again click Advanced Option and turn off this one. And here also go to Services, click Services. In this list, yes, scroll down. Okay, Windows Update. Windows Update. Double click Windows Update. Here, in the place of manually, click this drop down box, select Disable, Stop, Apply, OK. So you want to stop notification also, click here and click Settings. Here, System, click System, click Notification and Actions. Scroll down, click here, and click here, click here, click here. You did not get notification. Close this one. Now the operating system is ready to install the SAP software. So here, I click here, I shut down this one. I shut down. Means after everything is completed, I don't want to use that virtual machine. Means I shut down like that. Right click, remove, close. Okay, where is that? This is the folder. Right click, delete. Once again, you want to build operating system. Means once again, you want to create folder and start the section.